So I wasn't really prepared to make a video today, but I saw a video recently. I follow this photographer or this YouTube channel called the F-Stops here on YouTube. And if you haven't subscribed, the photographer's name is John Kasko, and he does a great job. I really enjoy his content. He makes photography very down to earth. He's got a very just easy way of talking to people. And for me, that's still trying to get into this business, it's really interesting to watch somebody that's been doing it for a while, and he just makes normal people look great. So I really like that about his channel. He doesn't know who I am, and that's not what this video is about. But what he did is he made this little thing. He 3D printed it, or had somebody 3D print it. But this is an adapter for the IT32 flash. And it just slides on, and I just got it in the mail probably about an hour ago. And I can't tell you how good this thing feels in the hand and how well built it is. Typically with a 3D printed product, you feel all these little ridges and bumps, and it feels very fragile and sometimes brittle. This feels great. And anyway, it fits perfectly on the IT32, and it just fits snugly. It has a great stop to it, and it's not going anywhere at all. It's not loose. There's no jiggle to it whatsoever. It fits impeccably. And that's why I'm so excited about this particular product, because of how well constructed it actually is. Now, what this does is it allows you to use, this is the MF12 diffuser from Godox. He doesn't sell these. You can get it through Godox. I think on one of his last videos, he said that they're going to try to put this on Amazon, because I guess he has a contact at Godox. But I got mine through B&H. And what this does is it now creates a really nice diffuser. And he's got videos on his channel showing the results that you get from this. And I'm going to try to do this kind of without paying attention, but it just stretches on it. This diffuser is made out of rubber, and it just fits around, and there's a space right here where there's a cutout on the MF12 diffuser, so that's going to fit snug, and it really just fits perfectly. You can get it flush, and it's just really nice. And now this fits onto here perfectly, and now you have a great little diffuser set up for your IT32, which is better than the little plastic thing that it comes with. Now here's what it looks like on the Leica. This is the Q3 43, but obviously with the IT32, you can take this off and put it on any camera that you own, but this just fits here. And it's really a nice low profile setup. And for me, I don't have a studio, so I don't use these big giant light boxes and things like that, but this actually will work perfectly for me. And so that is just really good. I would, again, go view his channel. He just did a photo shoot with this thing, outside, inside, so you could see how it disperses the light. He's gonna do a much better job at demoing this thing than I can do, but it just works really well. So again, the diffuser part's not included. You're basically just getting the 3D printed part. And I think right now he's charging about $17.50 plus shipping or something like that. So it's very affordable for a great solution to a problem for some. Now, the other thing that's interesting that is now more widely available, and I found this out from John's channel as well, is this kit. So this is a magnetic creative accessories kit, and it's got a bunch of magnetic gels, and they fit natively on the IT32. So you get the colored gels, you get the ones for if you're using flash inside, so the amber type filters. You get green ones, yellow ones, all different colors. You also get a kind of a Fresnel type lens cover as well, and they just magnetically fit on. You could theoretically use the colored gels with the system here, but this is a neat little kit too. It's very inexpensive. I'll leave links down below, and that just is a nice accessory to have. Now, the really cool thing about this little kit is it also works with your IT30 Pro. So if you have one of these, they give you a little strip that you could stick on here, and then these now become magnetically attached to this flash. So really good. And if you want to use the little plastic diffuser, you can do that too on top of it if you need it. But again, this is nice to have in your bag just in case you want to try something different. And again, John's got demos of some of this stuff on his channel. So again, he can do a much better job at demoing this in a studio and off camera. And he just does a great job with this. So he inspired me to buy this, but I've been playing around with it and I really like it. I just haven't done anything yet with flash at night, but this will be in my camera bag. The other thing now that's becoming more readily available is the X5L. So I just ordered this off of Amazon. I know Amazon didn't have this for a while. So the one I got earlier was from Rama, which they have their own version of the X5L. Same thing, it's just branded differently. I think they call theirs Flashpoint or something like that. But Amazon now is shipping the X5L. So if you're looking to get one, it should be readily available. This did take me about a week to get, but it came. In fact, that came today. So now I can have an X5 on both my Leicas because that's when I typically shoot with 2 cameras. But now you have it. So that is all I wanted to cover today. I really like this thing. I just do. You know, the way it's constructed and the way it just works. It's a simple solution to a problem, but it's a very effective solution to a problem. And these things pack down. So I'm going on a trip and I was thinking that I wasn't going to bring this, but because how squishy this is, I could just stick this in a bag. And if I want to do something, I can have it. And I just think this is just a really great idea. And so thank you, John, for making this. If you watch this channel or if you watch this video, I appreciate the effort and the attention to detail that you put into creating this little adapter. So anyway, guys, thanks so much and we'll talk soon. Take care.